Apple's September event unveiled some of the most awesome devices with massive upgrades and specs. We have got to see the next generation of iPhone 13, a redesigned iPad mini, and also a budget-friendly iPad along with a premium watch Series 7. Of all the devices, what grabbed our attention most are the iPhone 13 and iPad mini, both offering a powerful A15 Bionic chipset, better camera quality, and many more mind-blowing features. Yet, they have a huge difference compared to their price tag. Besides, the iPad mini has a bigger screen, is compatible with the Apple Pencil 2, and also comes with a USB Type-C port for versatile connectivity options. Certainly, this might put you in a dilemma if buying the iPhone 13 is worth your money, or rather you should just get the iPad mini with LTE connectivity. Let's find out. Looking at both the devices, the main difference you would notice is their size, as the biggest version of iPhone 13, which is the Pro Max model, comes with a 6.7-inch Retina OLED display. On the other hand, with the iPad mini, you get a massive 8.3-inch Liquid Retina LCD display which can deliver a decent amount of peak brightness to get through your daily tasks. But you won't be getting the 120Hz display refresh rate, which in most cases doesn't seem to be a must-needed feature for a tablet. Apart from these, the iPad mini offers a fingerprint sensor mounted on the power button for your ease, whereas the iPhone 13 still relies on the Face ID. Both the devices got a huge upgrade over the camera section and processor. Starting with the camera, the iPhone 13 Pro has a 12-megapixel triple camera setup which can click some incredible photos. It can record up to 4K videos at 60 FPS, and surprisingly, you can do that with the iPad mini too, since it has the same 12-megapixel camera with the same sensor. The front cam also gets an upgrade, and now you can have enhanced FaceTime experience thanks to its center focus technology, which we have previously seen on the M1 iPad Pro. So, even if you don't have a decent enough camera phone with you, your iPad mini can get your job done. Even more surprisingly, Apple has provided the latest A15 Bionic chipset for both the iPhone 13 and iPad mini, and both can deliver almost the same amount of performance according to the recent benchmark listing. Whether you want it for gaming or heavy multitasking, both devices are capable of handling pressure. Since both the device packs almost the same specs in terms of performance, which one leads the way in the battle of sleek, capable, and affordable point of view? If you already own an iPhone 12 series, upgrading to the new one won't seem worthy enough. Rather, you can get the iPad mini, which can open up more opportunities for increased productivity. With the new iPad mini, you will get a bigger screen to deal with multitasking. Moreover, it's compatible with the second generation of Apple Pencil, which can assist you while sketching or taking quick notes while on the go. You can even get the LTE connectivity for using the cellular network. So what's stopping you from getting the iPad mini even at half the price? Interestingly, Apple doesn't provide a charger with the iPhone 13, claiming they're more concerned about nature. On the contrary, Apple did provide a 20-watt Usbc charger with the iPad mini, so you won't have to pay for an external charger. Overall, if you don't have any problem using a bigger screen, which is good enough to fit in a single hand, probably getting the iPad mini can certainly give you the best value for your money. What do you think of this new iPad mini? Let us know in the comments below. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.